Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Today you're going to learn other ways to say no. Are you ready? Let's go. Nope. 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 No way. No way. No way. No dice. No dice. No dice. Never. 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 Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. By no means. By no means. By no means. Now it's your turn to repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's go. Nope. Nope. Well done. No way. No way. Good job. No dice. No dice. Well done. Never. Never. Excellent. Not at all. Not at all. Bravo. And last one. By no means. By no means. By no means. Bravo. Good job. Okay, now the lesson is over. Don't forget to repeat after me each time you watch this video and other videos. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all. Bye bye.